So in this video, we are learning about absolute value. Many of you guys might not be familiar with this absolute value means. So this video is designed to help you. So what is absolute value? Absolute value is the distance a number is from 0 on the number line. So the absolute value, this is how an absolute value would look like. So you would have these like two, bars, like two bars, and inside these two bars would be your number. So right here would be -5. Now the absolute value of -5. -5 is 5. Now, if you think about it on a number line, how many units away is it from 0? So if you think about it, let me draw a quick number line. And I would label it from 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. I know this isn't equally divided up, but it's just for that quick representation. So how much, now this is what you're really focusing on, 0. So you do 1 unit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are your hoops. So 1 unit, yeah, another one, another one, another one, another. So this totals up to be 5. So -5 is like 5 units away from 0. That's just how you think about that way. Quick thing that is very important on note, very important, is that the absolute value of any number, no matter if it's negative, positive, whatever, any number is always positive, never a negative. Because we're not really talking about, very important. So you can't be negative units away from 0. It's just how many units. You can't have a -1. They're talking about any number, positive, negative, whatever number. It's always going to be a positive number. So now we will do some examples. Okay, so examples. Okay, the absolute value of -7 is, so if you think about it on the number line, -3, -4, -5. Okay, I think our number line is a little small. Okay, let me redraw it. So it goes all the way here. -5, -6, -7. Okay, so I feel you'll get the hang of it. I'm just showing you visual for example. So 1 unit, 2 unit, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 1, 1. 1, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 units away from 0. So the absolute value of -7 is 7. I feel after you do a couple examples, you'll understand a pattern, and you wouldn't probably need to draw a number line every single time. 9, so it's the same thing. How many units away is 9 from 0? It's 9 units away. So you'll get the point of it very quick. Let's do two more. Let's do negative 41. These are the absolute value bars. And this equals 41. It's 41 units away from 0. It doesn't really matter if it's a negative or positive. It's still going to be absolute value is always positive. Now, let's do, since now I think you guys are really, really good at it, let's do, okay, so now let's do actual problem. It's absolute value of negative 16 plus 3. Right away, I see two absolute values that are being added to each other. No, that's going to be a positive number, no matter what. So first, I would change this into 16, because I know absolute value of negative 16 is 16, because the 16 is away from 0, and the absolute value of positive 3 is still 3, and this equals 19. So that would be that. Now that we've learned how absolute value is, let's order the values from least to greatest. Least to greatest. So let's do, these are the ones we have, negative 2, negative 4, negative 9, and negative 3. So, since we have to just order them. So first thing, so we have, these don't have absolute, like you can't make them into positive numbers. But we do need to, we know these are positive. So this is 2, and this is 4. So we have 2, 4, negative 9, because this was, it didn't have the bars. If it had the bars, then it would have been a positive number, but it didn't have the bars. So now we can order them very easily. Least is negative 9, because it's the most farthest away from 0. Then negative 3. Then we have 2. You could also put that bars and like that, because that would still indicate 2. And then we have 4. So we negative 4. Well, these equal 2, and this one equals 4. So that's that. Hopefully this video helped you to understand what absolute value is and how to order them. Right? So I remember that absolute value is the distance from numbers from 0, so therefore it can never be